Today's adventures in the garage. The car's batteries are all dead. So, Scott, there's a cord right here. So I'm trying to get in the garage so I can change my oil, but we can't move the cars because they're all in hibernation. And they're like not hooked up. So all the batteries are dead. It's great. Alright, let's try this again. Low battery. Battery will be charged while driving. No, really? Everything's saying it's faulting. The parking brake's faulted. The suspension's faulted. Rear spoiler faulted. Battery's dead.
Yeah, the rear spoiler is faulted. Let me see.
Knock yourself out.
Oh, you got the car down.
If we're lucky, we will get a cold startup on a Audi S7 with a spoiler fault.
Yeah, I need the key.
Oh, good point. There you go. There she goes. Oh, the door's closing.
Turn that off.
Dad, don't let your cars die. Gosh.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm broken.
Alright, so we've got the car up on our ramps. I'm going to try not to freeze to death because it is like, what is it? It is 44 degrees in the garage. It's pretty cold. It's even colder outside. It's got to be like 20s maybe if we're lucky. But oil needs to be changed, so let's get this done.
Rewind, and I won't let you go. I need you by my side.
All right. All right, so we finished up underneath the car. So we just gotta get the new oil in, get her started up, let it flow through some. And we might take a slight break. We might go up to Provo later, try to do some car spotting. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've discovered a slight problem. So I took it out, went around the block, checking out how it's doing. Just wanted to make sure the oil level was right. And, well, do you notice anything? Lit up, not lit up. Lit up, not lit up. Those gauges aren't working. So if you remember, I pulled this out so I could wrap it in this carbon fiber vinyl. And, well, I think I didn't reconnect this. In fact, I think that's pretty much the only explanation. That or it's broken. So we gotta pull this all back apart again. Huzzah. Well, I sure got it off easier this time since, I don't have these extra tabs in, since this piece is broken. And sure enough, look at that. Yeah. Hey, there we go. That looks better. That looks better. Alright, nighttime is pretty much upon us. Figure I should try to get out, drive some. So let's run up to Provo. Let's see if we can spot anything cool. So here we've got a Subaru, very nice. We've got a Scion TC, very nice looking. What else we got out here? We got, looks like a Nissan. Is that a Versa in front of me? I think that's a Versa. I was wrong. I was very wrong. It's a Toyota. My bad. Sorry. All right, here we've got a Cadillac XT4. That's kind of nice. All right, guys, we're about at the fanciest place I know of in Provo. Now if we come over here, we do seem to have the Jeep Squad. So we got the Jeep Squad here. It's dark though, you probably can't see them too well. We got another Jeep on this side. So I do believe this is the lot I was thinking of, but I'm not noticing anything offhand. Okay, I was wrong. This is the lot, but I'm still not seeing anything extraordinary. We've got an overpass. Oh, well, that's going to do it for today. Main question going into today was, how easy is it going to be to change the oil on my car? Luckily I found out it's really easy. That's probably the easiest oil change I've done. I'm pretty excited about it. It means going forward, changing the oil is going to be really easy. So that was awesome. Hope you guys liked it. No, we didn't really see anything cool. Sorry about that. It's okay, because this next week we're going to see a lot of cool cars down at the OC Festival of Speed. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a great event. So excited to be going. Probably not really going to participate in any of the extra events going on, but maybe we will. We'll see what happens. Either way, we're going to see a lot of cool cars. Excited to see you guys then.